This is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unveiling the daily hamster combo card for August 4th. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. As you know that you are going to click on the daily combo card here, right here. You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, then under markets, you are going to under special, under PR and team, under PR and team, you are going to click on X. You are going to get it. That's our first card. Still, then under legal, under market, yes, under market, you're going to click on derivatives. That's our second card. Our third card is going to be under market also. DeFi 2.0 token. That's our third card. Yeah, as you can see, we have unveiled the daily card and take the 5 million prize. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment and share. See you in the next video. Peace out.